So with Pat, one of the more veteran members of our team. How long have you been here on the team here at Hollenshades?
16 and a half years.
Who's count, right? Other than being one of our, definitely our best hydraulic and brake and steering suspension specialist, Pat does see, a lot of brake work. Are all brake services equal?
No.
No. What would you say are some of the more common things that are like overlooked? What would kind of go into a quality brake job versus some things that some places might overlook?
Dirty brake fluid getting into the system, seating calipers, folding brake lockup. I'm talking internally. The brake fluid being dirty, a lot of these calipers internally get locked up. And we're seeing a lot of that lately.
Sure. Salt in the wintertime?
All year round.
I think we're also starting to see a lot of like fit and finish as well. Like the pads might necessarily fit at first, and then as kind of they age over a year or two, they lock up in the hardware.
Well, the pads seize up, the pads wear out, and then you start getting grinding noises. That's when the metal or the pad is gone and the metal is rubbing on the rotor. And that's where the sensation comes from. Grinding brakes.
As they get tight, the piston's able to apply them, and then because they're so tight in the hardware, like this pad, this is the caliper bracket. So if this is not nice and free and sliding, as you can see here, once the piston is able to kind of contract it onto the caliper,
the piston will release, but the pads won't release.
A quality brake job will, last a lot longer, and you'll get the maximum amount of mileage from that brake service. Thank you, Pat.